Hello guys, in this video we will explain how to show the internet speed in the notification bar, an easy way and without programs, just from your phone settings. But before broadcasting in the explanation, I would like to thank everyone who subscribed to the channel, and everyone who pressed the like button, and whenever they shared the video, and thank you to everyone who supports me. Let's start the explanation. The first step we do is go to the settings. There are two ways. If you want to shorten the process, just go to the settings search engine and type display network settings. Type display network or type show internet speed. After that, this option will appear to you, then you activate this feature from here. If you wrote these words that I told you and the internet speed did not appear to you, it is okay. After that, go to the settings, then search for the screen and brightness, then go to more settings. After that, you activate these options. The disp speed feature. If the internet speed is Canada, the topic of today's video, I hope that you have benefited. For any problems or suggestions, write them in the comments and see you later.